Good afternoon. This is Mark Harrison with Sewer Line Check Professionals. I am here at 12418 Verdi Street in the Mar Vista area, and I am preparing to perform a video examination of the main sewer line here on the property for Diane Piratino. Now, the main sewer line is the portion of the waste drainage piping that is exterior to the structure. It lies underground and connects the building drain line system to the public sewer. The building drain line system then is the portion or portions of the waste drainage piping that is underneath or interior to the structure. Our examination today is not focused on the building drain line system, so if further evaluation is desired regarding that building drain line system, a licensed plumbing contractor should be contacted, or a specialty building drain line video examination can be set up through our office. So I wasn't able to locate an exposed or accessible main sewer line cleanout. Now, the main sewer line cleanout is different from what we have here. The main cleanout is an area outside the structure that has a removable cap like this that's going to allow direct access down into the actual main sewer pipe itself, which starts as the drain system exits the building. So this is a 3-inch cleanout access that's been kind of extended out from the drain lines under the house, and then it's going to push us out the back, kind of off the back right corner here. Go ahead and drop the camera in. You'll see here we drop down to this plastic pipe that was extended up here from this original cast iron main building drain. So as we push through, we're basically just running straight back to the back right corner of the house. And here in a couple of feet we're going to actually exit the building. And what we're running into is what I believe to be a house trap. Now, a house trap is a component similar to the P-traps you would see underneath the sink. It's a U-shaped pipe that holds water to prevent sewer gases from coming out through the drains of the fixtures. Now, commonly, this is not something that is normally done. It is not really a standard component of the system, but there were times where in the design of the property it was dictated and it was installed. Now, if in fact it is the house trap as we're discussing, then it would be required that a cleanout be installed just on the other side of this trap. So basically what you do here is you make a 90-degree turn downwards, and then a 180-degree or two more 90 degrees to come back up vertically, and then finally a fourth 90-degree elbow to go back horizontal again. So that's 360 degrees of bend here right in this couple of feet of pipe. You just can't get a camera to go through it. The evidence that's leading you to believe that's what this is we do have public sewers right here off the back of the property. As you run water in this situation, you see that the water is running, and you'll see the water level there just towards the bottom of the screen is staying at the same level. That's also common of a septic system or a private disposal system, but as I ran more water, that water cleaned up really good. So that means there's water flushing out. If it was still dirty, I would have been more suspect of a septic system right here. So either way, what's going to happen is an exploratory excavation here at the rear of the house as the pipe's coming out. It's only about 16 inches deep, so it is fairly shallow, but that area is going to need to be exposed. And once it's determined exactly what it is, then a clean out is required on the other side of this type of setup if it is a house trap. The reason for that is number one, and the main reason, like I was saying, is too many turns to get something through. You can't snake through this, you can't send a camera through it, anything like that. So that's pretty much all we're going to be able to look at today. The main sewer line itself from the back of the house to the public sewer is still unknown. We really can't give any representation as to its condition. As I pull back, we'll take another look at this original cast iron building drain here under the house. And this cast iron piping typically was expected to last 60 to 70 years. And you'll see as I pull the camera back, you'll see kind of a puff of brown water coming through. So it's possible the bottom of this pipe is beginning to rot out. So one really should start kind of preparing and getting ready for replacements of this main building drain here under the house towards the back of the house. Usually when the camera starts knocking that type of debris loose in the water, it's a good indication the pipe's nearing the end of its useful service life. All right, so with that, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video portion of the examination for today. Please do refer to my written report for the final findings of today's evaluation. This is Mark Harrison with Sewer Line Check Professionals. Thank you very much, and have a pleasant day.